The one and only. And now we'll take off roll, ladies and gentlemen, the F-14 Tomcat. You know that airplane, yes, you saw it in the movie Tomcat. That was the movie in which Tom Cruise made the cameo appearance. Look this. This airplane has what we call a variable geometry wing. That means that you can extend the wings forward as you saw for takeoff. Of course, you want to fly the airplane as slow as you can for takeoff and landing. And then if you're in combat in the middle, there are times when you want to be able to fly that thing just as fast as you can get it to go. And this airplane is capable of flying at twice the speed of sound. The speed of sound is 760 miles per hour at sea level. So that would be a little over 1,500 miles per hour is the capability of this airplane. Now the Tomcat is maneuvering coming in from just a little bit out to the front of us to our left. The wings are still extended, bringing the airspeed back to approximately 150 miles per hour. Still swept forward for maximal lift. Showing us the tight turning radius of the Tomcat. And as we mentioned earlier, we don't do any maneuvers towards the clouds. We're about to be looking down at it. You would see its flight path describing the figure eight across the ground. Tomcat has a crew of 2 pilots on board. The pilot in the front is the one flying the airplane. In the back is the radar intercept officer in the front. Now, right now, the wings are still extending. All right, the nose comes up. This, of course, being the high speed range of the airplane. Saw considerable service during the Gulf War of 1991. An airplane has been in the United States Navy inventory for some time. It's been around for over 20 years now. It's getting replaced slowly by other aircraft, one of which is the F-14 Super Hornet. Let's watch now as the airplane comes by. The wing is still swept back. He's rolling the airplane over into the inverted position. I moved the wings forward to a slow-speed flight regime. The airplane's now coming in from the right. At some point, we're going to see what it looks like for this airplane to come in on very fast. It looks like we right now have extended the gear. Don't want the tail to go down, but one of the most challenging things for a naval pilot or a Marine Corps pilot is to try to aim at a pitching aircraft carrier deck out at sea. The hook is down, and then what they're trying to do when they land on the carrier deck is engage that hook into the west. Now we know that maybe the Marine Corps pilots never have to do this approach. This was just a demonstration for you folks, of course. Toward the aircraft carrier, with the hook extended, pilot touchdown earlier. And they should miss the approach. They've already got full power selected, and so they can do the go-around because the carrier deck they're landing on is only about 1,100 feet long. There's some issue out there as to which airplane was the tightest turning fighter in the inventory. But they never did settle it. All right, let's look now from the left, from the right. The airplane's coming in now. Wings are swept back. There's a high-speed pass. Hold your ears, folks. How'd you like to see him go through the sound barrier, folks? Would you like that? So would I, and so would every attorney in San Diego County. However, not intentionally. All right, looks like our Tomcat is setting him now for the carrier break. When they come in to land, they're going to come in over the top of the deck. But the gear on these airplanes is designed to withstand coming down on that carrier deck at approximately 140 miles per hour descent rate of somewhere in the neighborhood of 15 to 30 feet per second. And we'll see if he's going to do the carrier landing or try to get a nice smooth grease job. In either case, we know that's what he planned to do. Ah, looks like he's just going to kind of float it down there and do his own line, maybe, huh? And this is a little high speed, probably very loud pass. F-14 Tomcat.
Down, buddy.